Hey guys, back with a new video. So I'm jumping right in with this one because it was kind of random. But today I was getting my eyebrows microbladed for the very first time. So what you see her doing right now is she's putting this little sticker kind of thing on to map out my eyebrows, to measure them, and to go ahead and begin tracing my eyebrows. So like I said, she was pretty much trying to figure out the length of my eyebrow and the height of my arch. So you're going to see her kind of like make these little lines on my eyebrow. Because this is the short one. This one's like past 8. See, it's a little bit past 8. This one is literally at 8. At 7.8. As you can hear, there's music playing, so I had to mute it. But long story short, one of my eyebrows was a little longer, so I was telling her I would rather her shorten that one than try to extend the other. In this clip, she's going in with some thread and kind of like making lines where my natural arches are. And that's just so how she can stencil out my natural brow before she goes ahead and create the new shape. While y'all are here, y'all should admire the length of my ponytail because I've come a long way, okay? So right now she's measuring the height of my arch. I think my right eyebrow is naturally higher, but my left one is fuller, so she's just trying to figure out which one is, the best. That when I give it, the first pass shouldn't hurt as much. It will hurt, obviously, but it's not gonna hurt as much. And the next couple of passes shouldn't hurt because I'm gonna, shouldn't hurt as much as well, but a little less. Oh, I have a question. What? So for the front, you still like kind of fade it gradually, like the way it would naturally be, right? What do you mean, like? Yeah, it'll be faded here and then go darker. Okay. Like how? Yeah. Okay, so I volunteered to do this, and I never even considered that it might hurt. I just realized I never asked if it was gonna hurt or not. I was waiting for you to ask, so I just told you because that's usually the question I get. I was really surprised you never asked. Like I said, there was music playing, so you won't hear this conversation. But she asked me what did it feel like because I said it didn't hurt. And to me, it felt like somebody was taking a really sharp eyebrow pencil and was just kind of filling in my eyebrows. It was like more of an annoyance than a pain. I know I've been MIA, so if you're watching this and you're hearing this right now, comment your Instagram below. I'll pick a winner, and on Friday, I will cash app you. Okay, so this white stuff that she's putting on my eyebrow is actually Numbing Cream. So she's done the first layer, which is like the initial dig into my skin, and then she put more of the ink over it, and it's going to kind of seep into the cuts that she created. So then the Numbing Cream is for the next step. That's when you go in a deeper layer of the eyebrow, well, the skin, and this is the part that could quote unquote hurt, but it really didn't hurt that bad to me. Cream has to sit for about 10 minutes before it's effective. So while that's sitting, she's going to go ahead and do the other side. And I'm not going to really show that because it's the exact same thing. So here's a backstory on how I ended up actually going through with this microblading. So a week ago, I saw Kane make a post on Instagram saying that she needed a model for microblading. Me not knowing what it is, but always wanting to try something, I was like, hey, I'm interested because we're both in Raleigh. We went to A&T together, so I knew she was really good at doing eyebrows because she always had hers looking great all the time. So I come through, of course, and we get started, and it was a really great experience. I really knew nothing about microblading, honestly, but I mean, you can always try something once. And push come to shove, if it didn't look good, you know, I could have just grew my eyebrows out really thick and no one would have ever known. But she did an amazing job. Like I said, she was very sweet. She was very informative because, like I said, I knew nothing. And, you know, y'all should follow her, and I will link all her stuff below. By the way, when you first get your eyebrows microbladed, the first 3 or 4 days, they will be extremely dark, extremely bold. It looks really good in my opinion, but it will fade to about 40 to 60% of that. And you'll see it in the clip, and I'll also insert some clips of how it looked a couple days later so you can see the difference. Okay, and here's my before and my after. Eyebrows on fleek. Look good, okay? Look at them. And then this is the next day. And then this is a week later. Okay, and here's her business page on Instagram at The Brow Contourist. Be sure to follow, turn on post notifications, and just check out her page. And here's her page at It's Goldie. Be sure to follow her and like some pictures, show some love. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.